Hi, everyone. Today, I'm super excited to tell you about something we use every single day, our digestive system. It's like a magical machine inside our bodies that takes the food we eat and turns it into the energy we need to live, play, and grow. Let's talk about all the amazing parts and how they work together. Is the tongue a part of the digestive system? Yes, it is. The tongue is super important in digestion. It helps us taste food, move it around in our mouths, and push it to the back so we can swallow it. It's like the leader of the digestion team, making sure everything starts off smoothly. Parts of the digestive system. Mouth. This is where digestion starts. When we chew, our teeth grind the food into tiny pieces, and our tongue mixes it with saliva. Saliva has enzymes that begin breaking down food, especially carbohydrates. Esophagus. After swallowing, the food slides down the esophagus. It's like a food highway connecting the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus uses muscles to push the food along in a wavy motion called peristalsis. The stomach is like a stretchy, muscular bag. It churns and mixes the food with stomach acids and enzymes to break it into even smaller pieces. This process turns food into a soupy mixture called chyme. Small intestine. The small intestine is about 20 feet long. Here, food is broken down even more with the help of juices from the pancreas and bile from the liver. The small intestine is where the magic of absorption happens. Tiny finger-like structures called villi grab nutrients and send them into the bloodstream. The liver is like the body's chemical factory. It makes a special juice called bile that breaks down fats into smaller pieces so the body can absorb them. The gallbladder works like a storage tank for bile. It holds the bile made by the liver and releases it into the small intestine when we eat fatty foods like cheese or butter. Pancreas. The pancreas is another helper organ. It produces enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. It also helps control blood sugar levels by making insulin. Large intestine, colon. Once the small intestine has absorbed all the good stuff, the leftovers move to the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed, and the remaining waste is turned into solid poop, feces, rectum and anus. The rectum is like the body's storage room for waste. When it's time to go to the bathroom, the anus helps release the waste from the body. How does it all work? When we eat a delicious meal, the food doesn't just magically turn into energy. It goes on a journey through all these parts. First, the mouth breaks it down into small pieces. Then, it travels through the esophagus into the stomach, where it gets mixed into a soup. Next, it moves to the small intestine, where nutrients are taken out. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas all help with this process. Finally, the large intestine deals with what's left over, and the rectum and anus get rid of waste. Why is the digestive system important? Our digestive system does so much work for us. Without it, we couldn't get the energy we need to run, play, or think. It also helps our bodies get vitamins and minerals from food to keep us healthy and strong. That's why it's so important to eat a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains. Fun fact. Did you know your digestive system is about 30 feet long? That's as long as a school bus. It's all packed neatly inside our bodies, working hard every single day. That's my report on the digestive system. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new and amazing about how our bodies work. Remember to eat healthy foods to keep your digestive system happy.